In the most unforgiving corners of the earth, where roads don't exist and danger waits around every turn, 4 truck convoys haul a single massive log through nature's wrath. From crumbling cliffs to swamps that swallow steel, from jungle floods to volcanic ash fields, this is not a drive, this is survival. Every tire spin is a risk, every load a burden, and every moment could be their last. 10 convoys, 10 brutal terrains, one mission: get the timber out alive. This is Extreme Logging Convoy in cinematic 8K realism. In the heart of an unforgiving jungle, a convoy of giants rolls forward, each hauling a single colossal log, chained and overhanging. Wheels grind deep into the mud, engines roar against the current as the trucks plunge into the river's depths, not along it, but through it. The yellow lead truck strains forward, half submerged, water crashing, fog swirling, the weight of the jungle pressing in from all sides. This is not a journey, it's a battle, and the only way out is through.
Four pale trucks descend to a ruined mine. Darkness swallows them, walls collapse, and echoes of death follow. One log per truck, one mistake from total ruin. Underground terror in its rawest form.
Across the scorched earth of a volcanic wasteland, 4 green giants drag charred logs over ash and fire. Radiators boil, tires melt. Nothing lives here except these unstoppable beasts.
Thunder cracks, earth moves. 4 cyan trucks bolt through the jungle with doom behind them. A roaring mudslide. One mistake, and they're buried. It's not a convoy anymore. It's a race for survival.
The storm hits hard. 4 burgundy rigs claw their way uphill as the mountain collapses. Rock cascades, tires scream, frames rattle, but still, they climb. This isn't a hill, it's a war zone. Deep in the mosquito swamp, 4 purple titans fight to stay afloat. Mud grips hard, logs twist, and every move risks a rollover. This is raw survival. 1 truck, 1 log, 1 sinking chance. 4 mud-brown rigs face their reckoning. A rotting bridge over a deadly gorge. Timber creaks, planks collapse, and there's no turning back. It's now or never. High in the mountains, 4 ice-blue logging trucks dance with death. Frosted gravel, thick fog, and sheer cliffs. Every second is a gamble. One slip, one skid, it's over.
In the choking heat of the rainforest, 4 yellow monsters sink into the earth itself. Clay grips like a vice. Vines lash the undercarriage. 1 massive log each, but the jungle's not giving them back easy.
Through the heart of the jungle, 4 black giants take on a flooded river. The current is savage. Logs sway, wheels vanish in brown chaos. But the steel holds. Just barely. This is a fight against the flood, and time is running out.